Take command of the road in the 2007 GMC Envoy. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a rear window wiper, a tachometer, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.